Hey guys, it's me, Chris. Real quick, I wanted to make this video because I let this out in the Patreon group a couple days ago. This is what I'm doing now to provide an extra service to those who were in my Traders Club or the Investors Club, is giving alerts before they happen on certain coins, and so that you get the moves from our algorithm. As a hedge fund manager, I'm just going to put this out there. It's not financial advice as always, but my algorithm that I do use is for my hedge fund itself, and these are the signals and indicators that I do use on that side, and also my personal investments and trading. And so the alert from the other day came in from Matic. I posted it. I'm going to show you this as proof to show you what you're going to get in the Patreon group. Is Matic taking off from here? I talked about the 1 hourly at the current price, or at that current day. The specific price was around 80 cents. Today we are now jumping up to 92, 93-ish, and actually almost 94 cents. So over 10-20% that you would have gained. And just since the other day, this was posted on the 15th. So literally in 10 days, 20%. 20% in 10 days. I am always browsing, searching for the next takeoff using certain indicators that I use. I've customized them. I've back tested them over and over again, and I'm literally almost 97%, 98% correct every single time using certain things that I see. I've been doing this for over literally almost 15 years now, and again, I do have my own hedge fund, but all of this is not financial advice. It's merely education on how to become a better trader, how to become a better investor. So anyways, again, this was alerted just the other day. Just to close this out, we are up over 20%. The time frames, the 4 hourly, I'm going to be looking at that real quick just to go ahead and speculate what I see. We are at this next support line, resistance area at 93.28. We see that it bounced off, so it may fall back to 86, 84. These important areas are highly important in the next couple of days. If it does fall down, these are going to be good buy-ins, at least for my side. I've got my limit to set orders, or set to limit orders, adjusted for 80 cents, 81, 82-ish to get back into Matic and then ride it up again. But overall, you do see that the Ichimoku lagging span line, we are going up. If it starts to curl over and get into this trend, you could see a fall, a downward cycle for the next couple of days, maybe into November. We know that it is election season, and so you have to take that into consideration too when you're in long positions. Is if we're into a political season, it could crash depending on the situation. So just be cautious of that. But again, Matic is taking off. This could be a huge bull run for us, but if it doesn't, just look for those key support areas that we've been trailing for over a couple months now. We've seen 73 back on the 13th, and then since then it did jump. You see the algorithm that I use, it did tell me to buy, did tell me to short here and then buy again. So anyways, I always alert these when they do come across my screen. I've got alerts set. I'm constantly browsing. So anyways, get your spots on Patreon. I'm going to drop down. I'm going to drop the comment in the description and in the comments of YouTube so that you can find them and join by that link and get signed up so you start making some money. Anyways, I hope that helps. As always, like, subscribe, and I'm going to see you next time.